Today in court we had a bond reduction hearing at the defense request. The judge heard evidence on the case and decided to lower the bond from $100,000 to $75,000 and from $40,000 on the aggravated assault to $15,000. I think that was within the parameters of what the judge was authorized to do, considering Texas law on bond. We think that is appropriate. We obviously would have preferred for it to remain as is, but we understand the court's concerns, and we understand that he did make his settings last time he was charged with this. So it was appropriate for the judge to consider that. We also had a motion today to seal documents. Some documents were filed through improper means with the district clerk's office. Those documents have now been sealed and should no longer be available. So at the conclusion of the motions, we were satisfied with the outcome, that the interests of the victim's family and the public were considered by the judge, and that also the evidence should be obtained through normal means, not through backdoor channels in this case.
Excuse me, in terms of discovery, can you talk a little bit about that? There were some communication issues with the defense attorney getting discovery.
Yeah, the defense attorney has indicated that she does not have any access to any reports in this case, and that is incorrect. We have uploaded everything into the system for defense counsel to view, except the videos and apparently the autopsy report. So my discovery policy is to give the defense more than they are entitled to, and I will obviously give them whatever they request, except for active tips on active cases not involving their clients. That's irrelevant, and the judge saw that as irrelevant.
What's next for the case?
The case is an ongoing investigation. We are still working on the aggravated robbery suspect. There are hot tips. We would ask the public to come forward with any information. There is a $5,000 reward for information leading to the arrest of the robber. And Mr. Fertitta has again stepped up to the plate and offered an additional $25,000 reward through Crime Stoppers. So if anybody has any information, there is a $30,000 reward leading to the arrest of the robber in this particular case.
Warren, but doesn't the offense report identify an individual who is in custody? Is that person a suspect or a person of interest?
The person that was listed that may have been revealed when the reports were uploaded improperly is a person of interest. However, that person has not been charged and the investigation is ongoing. Therefore, we suggest that anybody who has information about that, there's a $30,000 reward for information leading to the arrest of the robber.
One last question, sir. In terms of the assault of a family member, you're not prosecuting that, right?
I am prosecuting that case as well.
Okay, where are we at in that case?
That case is still in the investigative stage. It's an old case. The victim in that case has not responded to any outreach attempts. I need to speak to the victim in the case before I decide what to do with it.